Why?
Opo.
I done.
Done. Go, continue.
Dito pa. Wait. Wait. Malapit na ako sa 6. Diba, Papa Mer?
Opo. Very good, ah.
Malapit na.
Careful.
Malapit na.
Yes. Next, what?
6.
Number 6. What color is number 6?
Can I see my video? Can I see?
No. Go, continue your coloring.
Number 6 is colored green.
Go.
This one is green.
Yes. What you think? That is the color green? Watch. Okay.
He is called red.
Wow, good job.
See, I helped you. And where's the color white? That's the color light green.
I don't know.
How could I find it? Where's it? Oh, kita ko. Dito.
Ano sa box?
Papa.
Galing. Go, continue your coloring.
Green or white green? Do you like green or white green?
It's a green.
It's icky. Icky. Manya me icky. Icky. Manya ne cha. Na. Ni. Chichi. Cha. We have to eat it, right? I'm to eat it, right?
Yeah.
Are you video me?
No, it's not.
I see your video me.
No, it's not. You know, continue your coloring.
Maganda yung drawing ko. Maganda.
Opo. Ganda.
Green. White green. White blue. Orange. Yellow. Red. Green. Pink. See? Maganda yung kanta ko. Tingnan mo. White green. Blue. White blue. White green. White blue. Orange.
Go, continue your coloring.
Okay, Daddy. Hi guys.
Hi guys. What is your name?
Mary Road.
Mary Rose.
Jibuan.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Wow.
What are you saying that, Papa Mary? Are you saying that,
What is the name of your teacher?
Mom Dayan?
Dayan.
Yes.
Hmm.
That's
You say shout out to Ma'am Dayan.
Shout out, Mom Dayan.
Go, continue your coloring.
Can I see my teacher?
No, later. Go, continue. Oh no.
Yung mga tatayin ko. Diba, Papa Mary? Tingnan mo, ang ganda.
Wow.
Ang ganda dito. Ano to? Cloud. Is it cloud?
I think it's clouds, yeah.
And then,
Wow. Last one. Number 7. What color is number 7?
pink.
Oh, pink. The bird is color pink.
Yes.
Wow.
See?
Purple.
Hindi akong mawakas.
Oh, you need to shout out your classmate. Shout out to my classmate.
Shout to my classmate.
What is the name of your friends?
Pachi,
Pachi,
Julia,
Gilia. Go.
Eli.
Eli. Say hi.
Hi.
Go, continue your coloring.
Can I see? What?
You see later. Go.
The wings of the bird is color pink. And this one is color pink. Then use the
About Tatay Mio. Nanay B. Shout out them.
What's na?
Tapos na. Yay. Can I see your ano? Can I see your project? Okay guys, tapos na po ang kanyang obra. Palike naman po. Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.